like feel free to interrupt me in between, like to ask any questions or like whatever things we have. Like I want to keep it as like a interactive session so that like we get to share knowledge with each other, and like we also like get a chance to like help each other like out by different techniques and like how things are moving around in the world. So yeah, like just moving forward, like let's first start with like what is machine learning and AI. So it's basically like a very like known thing, like all the world is using it, like but have you ever thought like what is machine learning, like what is artificial intelligence? Like it's basically like computer equations, like mathematical terms that we can call it, like which can be used to like leverage this different kind of intelligence. Like if you play like a TikTok game on your computer, it was like if the computer is playing from its end, like that's probably like AI, like that's functioning like behind it. If you're like using your mobile phone and like you get a notification, so it's mostly based on like some small machine learning or AI algorithm that's functioning. It's basically like just gathering all our data together and like computing different like permutations and combinations of things that can go around, and just trying to make a sense out of it. It can be used like in marketing, like for prediction of diseases, like for business forecasting, like for financial advice. It can be like used for personalization. I can say like that's one of the biggest thing that it is being used for. Also like customer support, I would say, like sentiment analysis. So like if some of the your customers are not doing well, like why are they not doing well? Also for like segmenting customer based on like different journeys and things like that. So let's drill a bit more